Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer money on Zelle Fifth Third Bank business account. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually log in using your user ID and password on the app, and then here at the bottom you'll see Move Money. I want you to go ahead and tap on that, and then I want you to click here, Send Money with Zelle. So choose this option, and then go ahead and click on Send Money. Again, you'll see all your recipients that you have from your contacts. Of course, you can go ahead and search them up. Use the Zelle tag. You can add a new recipient by clicking on the plus icon. But once you find the recipient you want to send to, let's say this person, okay, you just enter the amount you want to send. You'll see from which account you're sending, how much is available for Zelle. Then enter your amount and then hit here on review, okay? And then you can add a memo if you want, for example, for coffee this week, and then you click here on send payment. And the payment will be sent, as you can see, and then you can click here on got it, and you'll basically be able to see recent activity as well. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.